Hello, this is Poongodi. Today let's crochet this baby mittens which will suit for babies from 0 to 6 months. These mittens are very soft and stretchy and this will keep your baby's little hands warm. This mitten's length is 8.5 centimeters and width is 6 centimeters. I am using 3.5 mm hook. Now let's start with the chain. From this we'll be making 19 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 and make one chain. Leave one chain and in the next chain we put a slip stitch. Again in the next chain we make another slip stitch. 3, 4, all slip stitches. 5 slip stitch, 6th slip stitch and 7 slip stitches. Count once again and next we'll do single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, single crochet and in the last 3 we'll be putting slip stitches again. Three slip stitches, make one chain, turn the side and again in the first 3 we'll be putting slip stitches. 1, 2 and 3 slip stitches. Then again we'll continue with 9 single crochet stitches. We'll be repeating these 2 rows again and again. One side 7 slip stitches and on the other side 3 slip stitches and 9 single crochet in the middle. So we should repeat these 2 stitches again and again and totally we should put 26 rows of stitches. We started with 19 chains, so 9 single crochet in the middle and 3 slip stitches on one side and 7 slip stitches on the other side. Like this we'll be putting 26 rows. I'll complete the 26 rows and come back to you. See, now I have completed all the 26 rows. I have started here and the ending will be on the other side. We should attach both the ends now. First, insert the needle in the back loop in one side and again in the back loop on the other side. Now you will be having 3 loops in the crochet hook. pull through all the 3 loops. First you can pull through the 2 loops and then in the third loop again, because third loop will be little difficult. See once again, back loop in one side. We already have one loop in the hook, and again the back loop on the other side. Pull through the 2 loops first and then the third loop. See once again, we have one loop in the needle, back loop in one side, again the back loop on the other side. Pull through the 2 loops and then the third loop. In this same method we should complete and attach both the ends like this. Back loop in one side and back loop on the other side. So pull through all the 3 loops. See here, back loop, again back loop, pull through all the 3 loops. In this method we will attach both the ends to make the mitten. I will complete this and show you. Now I have completely attached both the ends. See here, it will look like this, opening on both the sides. Now we have to finish this. Leave about 15 centimeters in the loop and cut it. Put it in a needle. For making this mittens, we have done slip stitches, 3 slip stitches on one side and 7 slip stitches on the other side. On the one side where we have done 3 slip stitches, we are closing. See, pass this needle through all the stitches. 26 lines. We have done 26 rows of stitches, and through all the 26 stitches we will pass through the needle on the one side where we have put 3 slip stitches. Now pull the thread and once again we can pass the needle through all the stitches. That is 2 rounds we can pass the needle. And then tighten it and close the mittens. Again pass the needle through few stitches lengthwise. Now cut the excess thread and turn the mittens. Now the mittens are ready for the newborn baby. I hope you are clear about this making mittens. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.